Hi YouTube! So today's video will be a little different compared to the others because I've bought two new printers and I don't have any room for them. So let me show you what I mean. So this is my printer room, and I've got two new bamboo P1Ps, and I could basically put them over there, but no, I'm not happy with how the room looks. This is very unorganized, and I've got filament from 2016 sitting in this shelf. So it's time to do something about this room. I can barely walk in here. So my plans are, as you can see, I've got these homemade shelves right here. I made something rigid. I didn't want the shelves to be able to move, because once all these printers run together, everything will shake a lot. The problem is, when I made this so rigid, I get all the vibrations into my walls. So there's a lot of vibrations in the walls. You can even hear them upstairs. This room is downstairs in the basement, so I'm thinking that I will remove all of these homemade shelves, and also there's a TV bench down there that I just put everything on top of, and I will also remove that. So I've bought some shelves that should, in theory, work with all the printers. Hopefully, crossing my fingers, that everything fits inside the room. And yeah, let's begin removing all the printers from the room, and then we can take down the shelves and mount up the new ones. So all the printers are now stacked on the floors, and I can begin removing the shelves. So here's the room without the printers, and yeah, I can't wait to clean this up. Now, what's behind the TV bench down there will be very interesting. I haven't cleaned very often back there. Anyway, here's the poop boxes for the bamboo printers. This one was recently cleaned, so yeah. So I cleaned the surfaces with my vacuum cleaner because I don't want all of the dust and plastic debris over the floors when I move all this stuff out of here. So yeah, let's begin disassembling all of these. So the top shelves are now down and the room feels almost double the size, actually. It's kind of weird. As you can see, behind the TV bench there's a lot of bamboo droppings. Now I'm going to take off all of these wooden planks, and I can move out the TV bench and clean up the room, and yeah. So all the wooden planks are now gone, and now it's time to clean up this TV bench and get it outside. So while I'm cleaning, I found an old crawler body of mine. Now, I used to 3D print a lot of details to crawlers back in the days. Yeah. I haven't seen this body in a while. It's been sitting right there, but I didn't kind of notice. So I've taken out everything that was inside this bench, and now I'm going to lift it outside and give it to the landfill, I think. So these are the shelves that I bought, and I will be using them in this configuration. And it says heavy duty, but I'm not sure how they withstand the vibrations and stuff. We will see how stable they are. I might have to stiffen them up, but we'll see. I'll begin assembling them in a minute. And I also installed a new light in this room, so now everything is much brighter. Look at this fitment. I had to take off this wooden plank in order to get it in there, but this is perfect. So basically how this works, you got these flanges or whatever, you put them in there and you knock them down with a hammer and they lock themselves inside the support beam. So the bottom part is now finished, and I will put the wooden platform on there now. And I also got one of my printers that will stand underneath there, and we can see if everything fits. So the good news is that the printer will fit down there. I just have to figure out which orientation. I'm getting another bench over here, so I think having that printer sitting like that would be best. And I also got another one sitting here. I'll put that there now and continue finishing up that bench. So some of the parts on my shelves are damaged. I guess something big has fallen up on top of the box somewhere. They are a bit skewed, but it is what it is. I can work around this. There's no problems so far, so. So both of the workbenches or shelves are now in place. As you can see, they fit perfectly in here. The first thing I noticed was that these wooden plates, they should be screwed down, so I'm going to drill some smaller holes all the way around and put in screws on them. And yeah, hopefully I get no vibrations in the walls now. I'm going to drill the holes and put the screws in, and then I'll put my bamboo printers on top here, and then I'm finished. So I was able to tidy up a little here. I put all the bigger printers down low. In the future I will not have that one. I'm giving that one away to a buddy of mine, and I think he's taking it home now this weekend. So my buddy wants to get into 3D printing, and I said to him, well, you can have this one, because I don't use these printers anymore, and I've tried selling them, but nobody wants them. I guess they're too old and slow now, so he can have that one. So these are the bamboo poop boxes, as I call them. Now I will place these behind every bamboo printer so that they collect all the plastic that shoots out of them. And yeah, I'm going to go grab the bamboos now and put them on the bench. Looking good. So I actually got 2 more bamboos. I haven't unboxed them yet, and they will sit over there. So we're going to unbox them next and assemble them. So the printer is now self-calibrating, and after it's finished with that, I can put it into the printer room and it's ready to print. Now these printers, if you are not familiar with them, these are called the Bamboo Labs P1P. They also come in other series. This is the cheapest one of them. This is the P1P. You also get the P1S and you get X1 carbon. Anyway, this is a P1P and they are great printers. You plug them in, you take out some screws on the bed like these. You take all the foam and stuff out, you press a button and they self-calibrate like it is doing, and after that they just go print. They are great printers, and yeah, I love these printers. They are super easy to maintain too, so these are win-win. So as soon as this one is finished, I will put it into the printer room as I said, and I'll unbox the other one off camera so you don't have to watch the same thing twice. I'll see you soon. So here it is, guys. All the P1Ps are now in place. And this room is now finished. I will try to pack all this and remove all the filaments that I don't use anymore, like this one. This whole shelf is stacked with unused rolls. They have been sitting for years now without... yeah, so I'm going to clean that up. I will do that later though, because this took me all day. So I'm just standing here listening for vibrations or anything. I can't hear anything. So it seems like this was a success. Let's go check out the new printers and how they perform. The printers, they are printing perfect. These are actually their first prints ever, which is Volvo A30 parts. Anyway, so there's 3 printers going at full speed here, and there were no sound in the other room. Now I'm going to start up these 3 and see if there's any sound from them, but I seriously doubt it. Yeah, these shelves, they seem to be very sturdy, and yeah, this is very good. I'm happy. Yeah, I'm very happy with how this room turned out. This will make everything easier to clean and also maintain all the printers. They are now in a better height to maintain rather than up here where they used to be. So, and this concludes this video for today, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.